Hello, students. So I wanted to walk you through some of the match my line slides and just mention what you should be paying attention to. And the whole point of this activity is for you to really think about what form of our linear equation is the most useful. We have our three different forms, y equals mx plus b. We also have point slope form, y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. And we have our newest one, our good friend standard form, ax plus by equals c. And these are each useful in different situations. So y equals mx plus b is most useful when you have a y-intercept that is easy to find, like in this particular picture right here. The second one, the point slope form, is most easy when you have 2 points that are far away from the intercepts. It's hard to see the intercepts. And the third one, standard form, is best when there are two different intercepts, when you can see the x and the y intercepts. So I'll show you just a couple slides here and talk through them, and then you try it out yourself. Make sure as well that you're really actually reading the direction. So here it just says adjust the equation. So I don't need to. It says adjust the equation so the line passes the point. I don't need to write a completely new equation. But I can take it and I can count a slope triangle that goes up to and over 4. And so I know that all I need to do to adjust the equation is go in here and put an over 4. This is a slope. Here, it's basically the same idea. All I'm doing is looking at what the slope triangle is to each of those points. The reason I don't need to do a plus b on any of these is because the b value is 0. So I'm really just counting up my rise and my run. And so I know that my top line can just be written as y equals 5 over 3x. I can do plus 0 if I want, but it's really not necessary. So if I take out the plus 0, it's exactly the same line because it goes through the origin. Okay, you'll do the rest of them. Answer that one based on the y equals mx plus b idea, and I just want to mention that mx plus b is the same as b plus mx. They are the same. They are the same. So think about what is the m and what is the b. Here, I hope you notice that we don't have a y-intercept of 0. We have a y-intercept of 4. So I know we're going to write mx plus 4. To find the m, draw your slope triangle, count your rise over run like we've been practicing. All right, here we have a b value of -2. So every equation in here should either be written as -2 plus mx or mx minus 2. And you're counting your slope triangles between the points like that. Okay? Moving right along to some of the harder slides here. Think about the mx plus b on that one, please. Now we get to a place where I hope you notice that this looks a lot like point slope form. We write point slope form like this: y minus 8 equals 3 over 2 times x minus 1. And you can see the x and y coordinate of 1 and 8 showing up right there and right there. So all we need to adjust on this is the slope. Draw a slope triangle between those points, and it looks like that slope triangle goes down by 4 and it goes over by 5. And so when I go into my equation here, I can go -4 over 5. Connects them. I just want to show you it is okay to leave it like this with the plus 8 on that side, or a -8 over here like I've taught you how to do it. Okay, I'm just going to show maybe one other slide here, and then we'll call it a day. Please use the point slope form on this one here. Let's say I wanted to find the equation that goes between those 2 points. Looks like I went up 1 and over 4, up 1 and over 4, and this is the point 1 comma negative 4. So I can write y minus negative 4 equals 1/4 times x minus 1, and I should be good to go. Okay, of course I could have taken y minus negative 4 and replaced it with y plus 4, and it would have been equivalent. Or the way that Desmos is writing them is subtracting 4 from both sides. To leave it like oops, like that, and then you'll see it goes through those points. All right, good luck today. Please work on all these slides. Let me know if you have any questions, and I will get back to you.